Now, 8 years after the tragic death of Baby Samantha Pendo during Kenya's 2017 post-election violence, 4 police officers are finally facing charges of murder, rape and crimes against humanity. On August 11, 2017, 6-month-old Samantha Pendo was fatally injured when police stormed her family's home in Nyalenda, Kisumu, amid post-election unrest. Officers used tear gas and batons in what they described as a brutal crackdown on protesting civilians. Samantha sustained serious head injuries and died 3 days later on August 14, 2017 while in a coma. An inquest into her death concluded in 2019, finding that police were responsible for her killing and recommending prosecution. However, it wasn't until December 2022 that the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions confirmed that 12 senior police officers will be charged under the International Crimes Act, the first such application against police in Kenyan's history. Despite this initial progress, the case has experienced multiple delays. A key suspect named Muhammad Ba fled and remained at large, stalling the plea-taking process. In January 2025, a High Court judge ordered that his name be struck from the charge sheet to allow the case to proceed. Then on 5th May 2025, the DPP formally withdrew charges against 8 of the 12 suspects, citing insufficient evidence. This move sparked outrage among victims' families and 30 human rights organizations, including Amnesty International Kenya, who condemned the decisions and demanded accountability. Now, 4 officers remain charged before the High Court in Nairobi. Chengo Masha, a senior officer, has been charged with murder, rape and crimes against humanity, including failing to prevent the crimes committed by his subordinates. Lina Kogei, charged with murder in connection to the events of August 12, 2017. Cyprine Robi Wankio and James Rono, both facing charges related to crimes against humanity, including alleged roles in the post-election crackdown. These charges stem from allegations that under Masha's command, police officers invaded civilian homes, raped more than 20 women, beat residents and committed other brutal acts. Victims were reportedly forced to pay bribes ranging from 500 to 2,000 Kenyan shillings, while other officers stood by without intervening. However, this case is ongoing, and the 4 accused officers are expected to take plea in court. Public and international pressure continues to mount, with demands for full trial and justice, not only for Baby Pendo, but for all victims of police violence during the 2017 election. From August 2017 to May 2025, this case has stood as a symbol of both the failures and possibilities within Kenya's justice system. Brian Uma, Gary reports.